Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right in Settings, open it and make sure Wi-Fi is on so you can see the network list. Next, you'll limit WhatsApp's network access rather than disabling Wi-Fi globally. This preserves other apps. Tap Wi-Fi to confirm connection name, then press Home briefly and return to Settings to continue. This keeps context. You do this because iOS manages per app cellular use more directly than per app Wi-Fi. So the trick involves app permissions and shortcuts automation. Once done, open shortcuts and build a personal automation triggered when WhatsApp opens. This is how you remove Wi-Fi for just that app session. Choose the app trigger, pick WhatsApp, and set it to Is Opened. Then, add the action to set Wi-Fi off. Include a short wait 1 second to ensure the system applies the change. Make sure Ask Before Running is off so it runs automatically. You use this because iOS lacks per app Wi-Fi toggles, so automation simulates that behavior. To finish, create the mirror automation. When WhatsApp closes, set Wi-Fi back on so other apps regain connectivity. Test both automations thoroughly. Open WhatsApp and watch Wi-Fi drop, then close the app and confirm Wi-Fi returns. If it doesn't work, make sure Shortcuts has permission and that Ask Before Running is disabled. Also check Focus Mode and Low Power Mode because they can block automations. If problems persist, reboot the phone and resave automations. That usually resolves timing or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.